arrived at Terminal 2. We took that modern TV and to the walking on that side. Hello mga ka-senior, many people are asking me how to get to the airport in Manila using public transportation. So I'm going to show you how to commute to and from NAIA Terminal 1, 2, 3, and 4 so that you don't have to spend that much on bringing your vehicle or hiring those expensive taxi to get to the airport. So this is a very practical way and very inexpensive way of reaching the airport to go to your destinations. Let's go! We just arrived in Baclaran and we're going to Terminal 2. We have to take these buses, mini buses, to go to Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. These are the San Dionisio buses with the signage Terminal NAIA Baltao. It's located actually right in front of Chowking. So let's go there. So this is Chowking. On the left are the Baclaran Baltao mini buses that goes to Terminal 1 and 2. Fare is 15 pesos. They also give discount to senior. So Chowking and Baltao buses. So we arrived at Terminal 2. We took that to the walking on that side of the airport to go to the departure area. We'll be crossing the and we go to Terminal 2. So, crossing to Terminal 2. Just walk under the bridge going to departure area. So here, so the bus goes on that side, on the right, and Terminal 2 is on the left. It's a very easy walk to reach the departure as well as the arrival area. So this is already Terminal 2 arrival area. Bay 1, 2, and 3. And we're going up to the departure area. So it's very convenient actually to take the modern PUV. It's only 15 pesos. And it takes roughly less than 10 minutes from Baclaran to reach the airport. You don't need to pay those expensive taxi or Grab. And you can practically be here at the airport in less than 10 minutes. And you won't be causing any traffic. And there is an escalator going up. This is the escalator going to departure area. Right here. That's the escalator. The departure area. You can also take the same minibus to go to Terminal 1. It actually stops at the right side of Terminal 1, and you can easily climb to the departure area of Terminal 1. The reason why it's best only to have only backpack is that you don't need to check in anything, and it's always very easy to get in and out of the airports, because normally it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to wait for your luggage. Like you're only carrying a backpack, dali lang siya lumabas. So tara, palabas na tayo ng airport, diba? Ang bilis natin, sila mag-i-step sila na matagal. So sabi sa atin, dito lang daw yung mga modern jeep ng Baltao, yun ang sasakyan natin. Sa Terminal 2 dumadaan yun, so hanapin natin kung saan siya. Yun yung mga jeep ng Baltao. I'd like to show you how to get to Terminal 3 from Baclaran, Heritage, or Pasay. It's also very practical. You only use a jeepney with the signage, with the signboard Nichols or Terminal 3. So here it is. Just arrived at Manila Terminal 3, and since we have no check-in luggage and only carry backpack, very easy for us to get out of the airport. And there's one final more things that we have to do as a backpacker. We're going to get out of the airport using a jeepney, a public transportation. I'm going to show you where to take the jeepney near Terminal 3. So from Terminal 3, let's go to the left side where the jeepney Nichols to Baclaran pick up passengers. Just go straight to the entrance of the parking and then turn right. So walking at the parking area, going to the jeepney station, Nichols Baclaran jeepney, because we're using public transportation to get out of the airport. Sorry, you have to turn right at the exit, not the entrance, sorry, exit side. So we're quite near already. The fare is 13 pesos only. Imagine that. From the exit, turn right. Parking exit, and on the right side you'll find the Nichols jeepney. Yes, those are the Nichols jeepney. They go to Baclaran. Thank you. Jeepney. Now I'd like to show you how to go to Terminal 4. This is very close to Airport Road in Baclaran, and it's just an easy 5 to 10 minutes walk from Airport Road or from McDonald's. So you don't need to take any vehicles to get there. You just have to walk if you feel like it. So this is our experience on going to Terminal 4. So we just had lunch at McDo, and from now we'll be walking to Terminal 4. It's quite near. You can always do it. And if you're not carrying heavy loads like me, I'm just carrying a backpack. So let's go to Terminal 4. Passing through Petron, and that's already Terminal 4. We just arrived at Terminal 4. So departure area at Terminal 4. So departure. Now Terminal 4 looks like during noontime, not so many flights. That's it, folks. I've shown you how to reach the airport using public transportation. So it's actually very easy to get to Terminal 1, 2, 3, and 4 from Baclaran or LRT Pasay or Heritage. And it doesn't cost that much, and it doesn't take that long. The most that you will be spending is about 15 minutes to get here, unlike if you will be taking a Grab or taxi or bring your own vehicle, wherein you'll be part of the traffic around the area. So my advice is, why not try getting here using public transportation? It's very practical actually. So with that, I'd like to thank you very much for watching this vlog. Travel while you can. Until our next vlog, see you soon.